Does annulment impact your ability to remarry? Imagine being told you can start fresh after a marriage that never really counted. That's what an annulment does. But does it mean you can jump into a new marriage right away? Let's find out. An annulment is a legal process that declares a marriage was never valid from the beginning. It's different from divorce because it treats the marriage as if it never happened. Once an annulment is granted, the law considers you legally single. This means you are free to remarry without waiting periods or restrictions that usually come with divorce. You might wonder if there are any legal hurdles. The answer is generally no. After the annulment is finalized by the court, your status is restored to single. You can legally marry again just like someone who was never married before. However, you need to wait until the court issues the final judgment confirming the annulment. Some states may have a short waiting period after the annulment before you can remarry. This is not common, but it's good to check local laws. If the annulment involved children, custody and child support agreements made during the process stay in effect. You must honor these arrangements even after the marriage is declared invalid. Financial matters are another thing to consider. Property division and spousal support might be different from what happens in a divorce. It's wise to talk to a family law attorney to understand how these issues could affect your future plans. If you had an annulment through a religious institution, you might need extra steps to make sure your new marriage is recognized by the state. Some religious annulments do not automatically make your marriage legally invalid in the eyes of the law. In summary, an annulment clears the way for you to remarry. Once the court finalizes it, you are considered legally single and free to marry again. Just make sure the annulment is fully completed and any legal or financial matters are settled before tying the knot again.